Introducing the V-TUF Mini HSV, engineered for industrial performance. The HEPA bag traps fine particles, preventing them from becoming airborne, protecting against lung disease. Its smart extraction velocity monitor tells you exactly when to clean, no guesswork. And the built-in filter shaker clears blockages while in use, keeping you productive. With 800 watts of superior suction, it delivers continuous powerful performance. Highly effective for dustless sweeping, capturing fine dust with zero mess. Ideal for floor debris, dry waste and tool-generated dust. The soft bristle brush handles delicate dusting, perfect for machinery, vents or tight spaces. The universal power adapter connects straight to your tools, extracting dust at the source. Built tough, designed smart. The V-TUF Mini HSV. Industrial cleaning made safer and easier. Get yours today.